Hello everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at Olight's I1R2 EOS flashlight. Now this is currently the smallest light that Olight makes, and it is marketed as a keychain light. So it does come with a little key ring so that you could attach this to your keys, a lanyard, or simply put it in your pocket. It is super lightweight, but it does pack a punch for its size. Now the specs on this light are as follows. You get two modes, a high mode and a low mode. The high mode has an output of 150 lumens with a runtime of 15 minutes. The low mode has an output of 5 lumens with a runtime of 6 hours on a full charge. Now worth noting, this light doesn't run on standard batteries. It has inside of it a rechargeable lithium battery. So they do provide you with a little charging cable, a micro USB to USB cable. Now, this light also comes in a number of different finishes, such as black, desert tan, purple, and red, as well as the mint green version that we're going to open up. So right out of the box, you're going to realize that this is one tiny and lightweight flashlight. But this is a good thing. This is what you would want from a keychain flashlight. I don't know about you guys, but on my keys, when it comes to my keys, I'm a minimalist. I like to have only my car key, my house key, my key fob for my car, and I also have this little guy. And this is super lightweight, but I will show you that this does pack a little punch to it when you're in complete darkness. But let's save that for later. Right now, I'm going to show you how to operate this. So, to get this light on, what you're going to want to do is hold the body and you're going to want to rotate the backside clockwise until you access the first mode, which is the low 5 lumen mode. If you keep on rotating the backside clockwise, you'll eventually hit the high mode, which is 150 lumens. Now, to turn it off, it's the same thing but reverse. You rotate the back counterclockwise, passing the low mode, and eventually you reach off. Now I like to twist this a little bit further counterclockwise so that it doesn't accidentally twist on in my pocket. Now, in order to recharge this guy, what you're going to want to do is hold the body and twist the backside counterclockwise until the body of this light pops open to reveal a micro USB port. Now again, they give you a little charging cable so that you could recharge this. And let me go ahead and demonstrate that. You're going to want to remove these little dust caps, which are a good thing to have to save when you're just transporting this cord so that no dust gets in there. But what you're going to want to do is insert the micro USB part into the light the correct way. Okay, now you get the back side, which is a USB, and you're going to put it into any USB port. Right now I have this attached to my computer, but you can use a cell phone charger or a car charger. Now you know that this is charging when this red indicator LED is on. When this light has a full charge, it will be green. I believe the charging time for this is 75 minutes max. So when it's green, you're going to remove the charging cord. You're going to want to hold the body and you're going to press the backside in. It's got a little spring to it. So you're going to press and twist the backside clockwise until the threads start catching. And then you're going to twist it until you hit the low mode so that you know that it's completely closed. and it does have an O-ring, so it is waterproof. So once you hit the low mode, you're going to want to stop and give it a little twist counterclockwise to turn it off. Remember, give it a little bit more of a twist so that it doesn't accidentally turn on in your pocket or on your keys. Now, you're ready to go. Ready to put it on your keys or your lanyard. This is a really nice light and I really recommend it. And you will see why when I demonstrate the brightness to you in my backyard. We'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back. We are now in my backyard and we are going to demonstrate the I1R2. So let's go ahead and activate the low mode. So here's the low mode, which is 5 lumens. It's good for finding your way around a dark house, reading a map, reading a book. It's definitely not a flood, but it gets the job done. So let's go ahead and give it a little bit more of a twist to access the high mode, which is 150 lumens. And there it is. Now you can see why I like this light. For its size, it sure illuminates a heck of a lot. So to turn off this light, you give it a twist until you hit the low and then you hit the off. Overall, I really like this light and I strongly recommend it. Thank you.